Moving to a new home can be an exciting yet challenging experience, especially when you've got kids. Although it can be tempting to keep your kids on the sidelines during a move, involving them from the start can prove beneficial. Here are a few ideas you can implement that will not only empower your kids, but also provide them the opportunity to play an important role in the move as well. Before embarking on the move, sit down with your children and explain the reasons behind the move and exciting opportunities that lie ahead. Encourage them to share their thoughts, concerns, and expectations. Involving them in the decision-making process can make them feel valued and more receptive to the idea of moving. Assign age-appropriate tasks to your kids, making them active participants in the moving process. Younger children can help pack their toys and books, while older kids can assist with sorting and organizing their belongings. This involvement not only lightens your workload, but also gives your children a sense of responsibility and ownership. Develop a visual timeline with your kids outlining the various stages of the move. This can be a fun project including stickers, markers, and colorful drawings. Display the timeline prominently so your children can track the progress and understand what to expect as moving day approaches. Cross off the days as the time passes and as the steps are accomplished. Allow your kids to participate in planning their new rooms. Let them choose the color scheme, pick out decorations, and even assist in measuring furniture and deciding where items should go. This involvement helps them feel connected to their new space and fosters a sense of excitement. On the actual move day, consider arranging for childcare. Enlist the help of family, friends, or professional babysitters to keep an eye on your children while you focus on the logistics of the move. Be sure to prepare a special move day kit for each child that includes their favorite toys, snacks, and activities to keep them entertained and comforted. As you embark on your moving journey, remember that involving your kids in the process and keeping them engaged away from the move can make all the difference. There will undoubtedly be challenges along the way, but with patience, creativity, and a positive attitude, you can turn it into a rewarding experience for everyone.
Here at Mission 2 Organize, we're not just known for our award-winning YouTube channel. We also feature monthly blogs on our website and mind-blowing hacks on our Instagram and TikTok accounts. From home organizing to move management and more, M2O has your back. We'll see you next time right here on M2O TV. Bye!
Moving to a new home can be an exciting yet challenging experience, especially when you have kids.